Hi, I am your instructor, Mary Elizabeth, and I wanted just to take a few minutes to talk a little bit about this course and myself. Number one, how to be successful. This is what I would recommend. First, each week, review your graded assignments. After looking at those graded assignments, including the discussion, what I would do is figure out what I don't know and focus learning on what I don't know from those assignments. Ask questions. I am here not only to teach this course, but help you. And I can't help you if I don't know where you need help. And just as much as I want to get to know you, please try to get to know me, and hopefully this video will facilitate that. So why this course? I love using Excel to solve problems. And if you know how to manipulate Excel, then you can be a whiz with not only figuring out problems that your employer or potential employer may have, but using Excel to tell a story, and the data will tell that story or help you tell that story. And those situations could be positive situations or negative situations. So I really am looking forward to all of us learning more about how to use the functions in Excel, and then how to build your own formulas. A little bit about me. I am weirdly obsessed with the color purple. So if you like purple just about as much as I do, let me know. I have one daughter, and her name is Samantha. I am from the Midwest. Would love to know where everyone is from or where you live, and I'm from Illinois. I have 6 siblings, and the lineup goes boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl, boy. I don't know how my parents did it, but they did it. And finally, I'm a yoga teacher. So if you needed to de-stress, let me know. Again, looking forward to starting this class and this journey with all of you. Okay, bye-bye.